Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your registration with GoDaddy. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your registration with GoDaddy, start by launching your preferred web browser. Navigate to the GoDaddy website by typing www.godaddy.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, find and click on the Sign In option at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your GoDaddy username or customer number in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. After logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Look for the Domains section on the dashboard. Click on Manage next to the domain you wish to verify. You will be taken to the Domain Settings page. In this section, locate the Verification tab or link. Click on it to check the verification status of your domain registration. If your registration requires verification, follow the on-screen instructions provided. This typically involves confirming your email address or providing additional information. Once you've completed the verification steps, you will receive a confirmation message. If verification is already complete, it will indicate that your domain is successfully registered. To ensure everything is in order, consider checking your email for any messages from GoDaddy regarding your registration. Make sure to follow any further instructions if requested in those emails. After verifying your registration, you can return to the main dashboard. Here, you can manage and maintain your domain settings as needed. Congratulations, you've now successfully verified your registration with GoDaddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.